Hey, what's up mga ka-diaries? Hello Philippines and hello mabayang hapon sa inyong tanan guys. How are you doing today? I hope you're having a wonderful afternoon. And for today's video, as you can see, ari kita subong nagsakay sa pump boat for a short boat ride going back to mainland Cordova, sakop sa Mactan Island in the province of Cebu. If you've watched my previous video, dito kita halin sa may isa ka sandbar na sakop sa Cordova with its crystal clear turquoise blue water. Naligo kami dito guys, and since hapon pabalik na kami sa mainland Cebu, and this is the way to do it. There's another way, of course, maglakad ka lang, but since madamo kami sa mga dala, nagsakay na lang kami sa pump boat. Anyway, it's just a short boat ride, around 10 minutes, hindi gani kaabot 5 minutes na boat ride. And ang plate fee is only 10 pesos. So, kita niyo sa ate, you can actually walk in these waters. Kasi since pa-low tide na. But during high tide, lapaw sa tawo. So, you can possibly walk, no? Unless na lang you are a champion swimmer, mayo ka maglangoy. And kakita ninyo guys, madamo sa mga floating cottages diri. And also, mga native cottages nga nagatindog dira sa may sandbar. Sakop ini sang Cordova. And this is probably our second time here nga magpaligo sa ini nga portion sa Cebu. It's really budget friendly, kaya ang entrance dito is only 20 pesos and ang pump boat is only 10 pesos. Sama ni guys. And kita ninyo, mega puti, that is the sandbar. And tagaliog, tagadughan ang kadalumon sa tubig. On other parts, tagahawak lang. Depende man of course sa ibong height, no? And lapit na lang kita subong makaabot sa my mainland. I can see it already from here. And that's it for today's video muna na guys. I just wanted to share sa inyo ang ako ni experience with this short boat ride pabalik sa mainland Cordova. Maraming salamat for watching and follow for more. Follow me on TikTok, on Facebook, and also sa aton nga YouTube channel. Please subscribe sa aton nga YouTube channel, Rain Diaries. Bye everyone, and have a great day ahead, and see you again on our next video.